Welcome to our password reset tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to reset your password on our website. From the main menu, select Login Support and Password Reset. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Press the Reset Password button. Next, check your email for password reset instructions. Open the password reset email you received. Press the Change Password button in your email. In this window, you'll see your registered email ID and company name. Set your new password and confirm it by entering it again in the respective fields. Press the Reset Password button. You are now logged into your account. Thank you for watching. If you have any issues, please contact your SMBG salesperson.